What are you doing, Cole?
This is my furnace outdoors. Oh no.
In the middle of the snowstorm. Oh no.
You know what? I've seen a lot of weird things. I've never seen snow catch on fire. I mean, look at this. The snow is like charred.
Okay, come on.
We, right now, are in the middle of the blizzard. They didn't name it. Apparently blizzards don't have the right to be named like hurricanes do. Take a look around. You probably can't see the snow, but you could probably see the snow on the ground, obviously. There's a snowman. There's a lot of snow. Trust me when I say it's really bad out here. It's cold. But my little brother, of course, always had the solution. Say hi, Cole.
Hi.
Okay, into the whatchamacallit. Probably should say it into the screen. Hey. Dude! Put it out. Put it out, please. Before you set yourself on fire. Yeah. Alright, well that's it for now. Thank you.